Thursday and it's been a while, so I thought I would give you all what you want, another Throwback Thursday video. But before I get into the video, I wanted to quickly mention my hairstyle in the video, my hairstyle right now in this video, my hairstyle pretty much every day because everyone asks me about it. And I feel like my beach waves tutorial went missed a couple of weeks ago because that's how I do it, guys. I'll include a link to that video somewhere on the screen now and down in the video description below. But what's most important about doing this hairstyle is prepping your hair to keep it healthy and shiny because I do use heat in that hair tutorial. The shampoo and conditioner that I've been using recently that I just think is so cool, it's from Function of Beauty, and on the bottle it literally says Function of Shenae because it's completely customizable to you. So shout out to Function of Beauty for getting involved in this video. I'm so excited about this product and I know you guys are gonna love this too. I actually picked the color. You can see they're like really pretty mint green shades. You can pick your color, you can pick your scent. Mine smells like peach because I love that smell. So it smells delicious, looks really cute, but it serves a purpose and it's the purpose for just you. So I wanted to show you this little card here. Again, it says Function of Shenae. And in the profile, you kind of list what your hair texture is like, how it dries, is it curly, wavy, straight, whatever, and then what are your goals? So on my goals list, I have soothe scalp, deep condition, fix split ends, shine, and lengthen. I've got wavy, medium, dry hair. So this is gonna serve all of those purposes for me. It's available in the US, in Canada, in Australia, and in Great Britain. All you have to do to get a totally unique shampoo and conditioner set that is tailor-made for you is answer a quick 2-minute survey, answer some questions about your hair type, hair goals, personal preferences, and that's it. Only a select number of people are gonna be able to redeem that 20%. So if you want your very own personalized shampoo and conditioner that meets your needs, make sure you click the link below. Now that we've talked about hair for a minute, let's get to the makeup in this tutorial, or I don't know, untutorial. How not to do your makeup with Annalynne and Shenae.
You're rolling.
Annalynne is joining me again today, and we are gonna do a little bit of a makeup tutorial. Annalynne's professional makeup artist is here to basically give us professional help because we need it. So we're just gonna show you what we do quickly for day-to-day makeup respectively, and then he's gonna tell you everything that we're doing wrong.
Let's just, you know, let's go. Okay. I'm already embarrassed and shy because he's literally gonna yell at us in 5 seconds.
And he's not like one to cover up how he's really feeling.
Oh, no, he's honest. Shanae's hogging the mirror. Bitch, I'm doing concealer after because I make messes. He's already giving me
He's
shit.
just like on the side talking shit already.
I give up.
So wait, this is your like everyday makeup?
This is the problem people watching me do my makeup. Okay, I already hate this and I think I should leave. I put it all on and wipe it all off, like clean up on aisle 2, you know? Like, so this won't be how it looks after about 17 more steps.
Okay.
She's using a blush brush on her eyes, so.
Screw
He's
you!
actually just like
Screw
off
you!
camera, right
Palms are
there,
sweating.
cringing.
Gurus.
Did you just quote?
Shut up, no.
Benefit of having a professional work on you is like they know how it photographs. I don't know how to do light skin makeup.
Yeah.
I just cake it on because I like it. Now what's popular on YouTube is like people do their makeup and then they like spill the tea,
What does that mean?
which is code in the kids world for talking shit. Annalynne texted me after her Wendy Williams interview being like, FYI, like,
By the way,
just so you know.
I told Wendy that you were a little, see you next Tuesday.
We didn't like actually hate each other for the entire duration of
No,
the
it was just
show.
like 4.5 out of 5 years.
It was like, yeah, about that.
That's actually true.
I'm like, no, yeah.
Okay, so what happened was, first of all,
But regardless, through it all, you were always my favorite to do scenes with. I will say, like, that first season was so tumultuous in so many ways.
yeah.
And It was crazy, and I'll never ever forget, like, Annalynne is very maternal. And in the first season, they were working us like crazy. We were shooting.
We had a 19-hour. Remember that day at the Hills at your Wilson house with Lori and Rob and everybody? We were there for 19 hours. I broke up with my boyfriend twice during that 19-hour period.
Oh my gosh. I feel like 18, 19-hour days were like kind of standard that first season. And then we would also, because it was such a highly promoted show, we would have photo shoots like sometimes both days of the weekend.
Well, we would see the
12
sunrise.
days.
We would see the sunrise Saturday morning, and then we'd have a like 6, 7 a.m. sunrise, and then we would have a 10 a.m. call for press.
Yeah, and I remember one day, I think I had to go and do a shoot with Lori or something. It was like a family shoot on the weekend, and they were running late. It was like 7 a.m. We'd been working through the night, obviously, and I was like ready to break down because I could just see like my time to nap between filming and the photo shoot just dwindling away.
Yeah.
And Annalynne was just like, no, this is it, we're done. And like stood up and she was like, you need to let her go right now. And like, she just completely like called it, and they listened.
But I do it like a sarcasm, like
That was the best part.
I might gouge her eyeballs out, but I might be joking. No one really knows.
No one knew, so she could get away. She's like, oh yeah, you were such a little beep. But Annalynne knows how to like be a beep without anyone knowing that she's doing it.
Oh my
Everyone's like,
gosh,
she's so funny. I'm like, girl, she's not joking.
wasn't joking
Like,
at all. It's our 10-year anniversary.
I know, isn't that so funny? That's so crazy.
We're old, babe.
I know.
I used to look hot.
Speak for herself.
You're
It's
such
fine.
a Bill.
I got used to being like the relatable one.
Wait, what are you saying? Am I not relatable?
Yeah, you're
Am I not relatable?
so relatable.
Am I not
Like, look
relatable?
at, yeah.
Am I not
I know, just that girl next door. Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Are you?
Yeah. I beat you. So.
Okay, so I'm gonna
She
go
just tried to
away.
run over that. I would like to make that a little louder.
Okay,
I beat her.
Whatever. So this is the infamous Trace that Annalynne has been yelling at off camera the entire time. Her makeup artist, who's so talented, and now going to tell us why we're terrible at putting on makeup.
Well, not completely true. But to correct Annalynne's look, I would use a softer brown or bronzer to soften those edges. Would add blush for some color, little highlight, and a tinted brow gel. I would also add some bronzer along her jawline and down her neck, and then do a light coat of mascara on her bottom lashes.
I mean, it is a little bit like sociopath, but I like it.
To correct Shenae's look, I would add a soft brown or bronzer on the lid and in the crease, and drag it out a little bit to elongate the eye. I would also drag out the liner with a brush or with the kohl pencil and add a color on the cheek and correct her contour. And then to finish the look, I would add a highlighter in the tear duct to open and brighten the eye.
Well, thank you, Trace, for coming in and re-beautifying us, fixing all of the things that we did wrong with our face. I hope you guys enjoyed some of his tips for kind of adding that extra little punch that gives you that really polished, professional makeup look. And thanks to Annalynne for joining me on my channel. Again, if you guys like seeing her, then definitely give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments section below if you want to see more footage with all of us in it. All right, we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Namaste, bitches.
Get out of here.